Hi, today we will see how to manage the premium plan settings for Loveria. Go to Admin panel. Open the settings from the side menu bar. Select the premium plan setting from the settings drop-down. Select the premium plan for 1 day. Enter the credit price and update the setting. Similar to this plan, other plans are available to become user premium for various durations in the premium plan setting. This plan is shown on the user side to become a premium user. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.